Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So for today, gagawa tayo ng video na puro neutral colors lang. So panoorin nyo ang videong ito hanggang dulo. So before tayo mag-proceed sa ating video, please don't forget to like and subscribe at i-click ang notification bell sa baba para ma-update kayo sa mga future videos ko. So, let's start!
We're gonna be alright.
So first is magto-toner tayo. Ginagamit ko itong Whiteness Natural Fruit Extract with Vitamin E and Collagen. Moisturizer. So I use this Quick Fix Tinted Moisturizer. Gagamitin ko ang Blackwater BB Cream in a shade beige. This Nor Skin Oxygenated Cream Full Coverage Concealer. Natin is gagamitin ko itong Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in a shade dark brown. Eyeshadow palette is itong Nude Ashley Contouring and Eyeshadow Palette. So, dahil neutral lang ang ating theme ngayon, is gagamit ako ng mga neutral colors. So, okay na yan. Then, next is, lalagyan natin ng glitters. So, next is, lalagyan na natin ng winged eyeliner. So, I will use this Huda Beauty Gel Eyeliner.